Hello guys, narito na naman si Coach Danila, no? Muli tayong bumalik guys. After 1 year, ito ang aking result ng aking sugar sa aking coffee. Okay? So, dati-dati guys, ang aking blood sugar nung mag-take ako dyan is 145. Okay? So, ang coffee ko nung 145 ay 3 in 1 coffee. So, hindi ko na babanggitin yung 3-in-1 coffee. Sure, alam na ninyo yun guys, ano? So, ngayon guys, ito na yung aming coffee. 3-in-1 green coffee na siya guys. Meron na siyang gatas, at saka stevia, at saka yung insulin plant powder guys. Ito na.